So we're starting today's vlog off in a little bit of a different place. We're at DMV. Megan's getting her license. We went and practiced in a little parking lot up the street a little bit before she came here because she hasn't really worked on her real slow, super tight maneuvering too much. But I think she's got this. It should be good. But after this, we're going to take off and we're doing a loop a dude on Facebook threw up. So we don't know nothing about it. I just know it's like a 300-mile loop. He was calling it the I think it's the Lynchburg to Charlotte BDR. Should be a bunch of back roads, pretty fun. We'll see what this is all about. I guess we'll peep in with some ride of Megan here at DMV, and then we'll get to the Lynchburg to Charlotte BDR. Choo! So what'd you do?
I just failed my motorcycle test. I want to cry.
You want something cool? I got you a sticker.
Does it say I failed my motorcycle test?
No.
Can I see it?
Yes.
Beat my
It's for
baby.
your wreck right there, and it matches your bike. It matches your riding style.
Here, can I put it on now?
Yeah, clean it off first.
Like this? It's not going to all fit in the circle.
Yeah, but it'll be alright. Just press
Right
it
there?
around. Yeah.
It's not covering it up, but that's okay. Alright.
Alright, well, according to my GPS, this is the start of the Lynchburg to Charlottesville BDR. Alright, so we're taking a slight detour off route. Coming out here to check out Edith's. Alright, so this little detour was worth it. Edith's Diner on 60. We're going to skip a little bit of this BDR, I guess, because we're cut a quarter of it off. But we was hungry, so we had to stop. Alright, so we're going to get on to it, and we'll see y'all if we get anything interesting. We got no idea what we're doing. No. We just found the river pull off and decided to stop here and take a break.
It's raining.
So far, I don't know. Not feeling the route. Hot. What's your thoughts?
I mean, I'm having fun. I'm not.
I don't know.
I just go with the flow.
Really don't know where we're going to camp on this route. That's one issue we're running into. So I don't know if we're going to finish. We're probably not going to finish this loop. We're probably splitting off of it right here. We done had two spots. One spot was posted. We weren't sure if we could ride down it.
Yeah.
And then another spot was a ferry, and the ferry's closed.
We don't know. I don't want to camp at a campground, like an actual campground.
No, me either.
We like.
I just look at it like we done missed those two sections of it, so there's no point in even continuing now.
Yeah.
I don't know. We're gonna figure out where we're going from here.
Yeah, we'll
see.
let you guys know.
We got a plan now. I think we're gonna leave here, and we're just gonna head towards Bald Mountain Jeep Trail off the Parkway and camp up there. We'll see y'all on the road. Shoo! Alright, we're off the Bald Mountain Jeep Trail. He's playing again, like we do. Ice it all off and just beat riding the motor. It is robbing right now. Alright, let's roll on. Yeah. Get a little mud on the tires. What's that one look?
Oh, no, it must go.
Got a cool view?
Yeah.
You don't want to ride down see
Feeling it.
Well,
Nope, I like this one.
Nice.
Okay. The only bad thing is, yeah. I don't know how to get turned around right now. There it is.
Yeah.
Come back.
Alright, well, I guess we're gonna stay up camp.
Finally.
Catch y'all in a few.
I'm tired.
Oh gosh, it's gonna crash again.
I made it.
Alright, so we got camp all set up. Move the bikes a little bit closer to camp. We got a little cooking area set up this time.
With
But
a pretty view.
I found something cool with my bike I forgot about. Forgot about me a sticker. I'm gonna get the camera and Megan. I'm gonna go install it. Pretty stoked about this. I don't know how y'all gonna feel about it.
You guys want to see it? Are you done?
Wow, what'd you know about that?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm sure there's gonna be a whole lot of haters on that one, but I don't care. I like it.
I like Miley.
Alright, so we're sitting here chilling, getting ready to cook us some dinner. Megan's eating some snacks. Got camp behind us all set up. Wasn't gonna do a video on setting up camp, but I don't know, I kind of wore out after today. It was a
How many miles did we do? It was a long day.
a
long day of
long day of mistakes.
unfortunate events. But
Yeah,
they brought us
unfortunate
here.
events. Yeah, I'm glad we decided to change plans and come over here. Made it a whole lot more simple. It's really peaceful up here. It's calm for thunderstorms. It's been calm for thunderstorms since 4 o'clock this evening. And we dodged one and skirted it, but there's a good chance there's calm for thunderstorms all up to like 2 or 3 in the morning. I think some at like 5 or 6 in the morning too. So that's something kept everybody away from us up here.
It's always kind of nice though. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't mind a thunderstorm as long as these trees stay where they need to stay.
I wonder if there's a touch sketchy, but I think it'll be alright.
Hey, I need to know, do you guys like watching me cook?
Yeah, did you like the cooking part of the last video or nah? Because we're not gonna do it in this video.
Well, we'll show you what I made though.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that.
Deal.
Alright, well, we're gonna relax some, do some cooking,
Yeah.
eat a little food. I guess we'll see y'all maybe tomorrow if the Peaks of Otter Lodge is open
And I get a poo sticker.
and we can actually get Megan a poo sticker for like the 4th time we tried it.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we eating?
We've got pork chops. Yum. And then with it, we've got some onions and mushroom mixture. And then green beans.
And steamed lens up.
Okay. Smells really good. I'm excited. I'm hungry.
Oh no, I dropped it. Oh boy. Alright, well, it's morning the next day. I guess if y'all are seeing this, we were successful with Megan's poo sticker recovery. Or acquisition. Oh well, whatever, regardless. If you're seeing this, that means Megan's got her poo sticker and we're on a mission.
We're on a mission to get a poo sticker. Why did you trap me in between 2 trees?
I don't know, I just thought it was a good spot in case that storm rolled in last night and blew the bikes around and your bike wouldn't fall over. Maybe. I mean, are you serious? Alright, so change of plans just like we typically do. We decided to break off the parkway and figure might as well run through the Enchanted Creek again since we're here. Megan's super pumped about it. That's a little better. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Alright? What did you do? Oh my gosh. We're turning around.
Yeah, this is too muddy.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Your bike off? I ain't stopping left. Well, I'll have to get this food sticker. So do they have a sticker?
No, I mean screw this. It really hasn't been that bad. Yesterday really wasn't that bad.
I just feel like it's been full of letdown.
Yeah.
Like the first route was a letdown.
Yeah, I mean I really didn't mind I don't mind back roads.
I get so bored.
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't, because I hate doing stuff like we just did.
I like that.
I don't.
It actually makes you think. It's a little bit of a challenge.
It's too much for me. I'm getting tired of it.
What?
Yeah, I don't enjoy it that much.
I just feel like we did this the other time, leaving us a bunch of back roads. Like, oh, it was cool. We just rode a bunch of miles. And that's it. I mean, we did see a pretty cool water mill. What was that? I don't know. It's kind of cool. We got one more letdown to happen. That's a better place to be closed.
Yeah, it probably will be.
Still had fun though. Camping went really good last night.
Yeah, it was
awesome.
great.
Could actually have been much better. Alright, yeah, we're gonna end this video here. Alright, well, we'll see y'all next time. Shoo!
Peace.
Yeah, I figured out how to take your hand off the boards.